Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this game from Xbox app or Microsoft Store on your Windows computer. Now the first step is to run Gaming Services Repair Tool. Now for this, at the top left here you can see a profile icon. Click on it. Now go to support option. Now click on Gaming Services Repair Tool and then click on Start Repairing. Click on Yes to allow and let the process complete. This process will take some time, and once this is complete, now you can try to install the game and then check. Now still not working. In that case, the next step is to, now you can run Gaming Services Repair Tool from website also. So you can just open Gaming Services, just type in Gaming Services Repair Tool in Google search and then go to Gaming Services Repair Tool Xbox support website. So go to the official website and then scroll down and then you will see downloadable version. So click on it. Scroll down, click on download the Gaming Services Repair Tool for PC and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow and let the process complete. Once this is complete, you will see completed successfully over here. And once you see completed successfully, now try to install the game once again and then check. Still not installing. The next step is to log out and log in with correct account on Microsoft Store and Xbox app. So open Microsoft Store on your computer. At the top right here, you will see your profile icon. If you're already logged in my case, I'm not logged in right now. Make sure that you're logged in. So over here at the top right, click on your profile icon and then click on sign out and then click on sign in. Make sure that you select the account which has the Game Pass or which has the game. So you have to select the right account and then enter your PIN or password over here. Now go to Xbox app, top left profile icon, click on sign out, then click on sign in option. Now click on sign in and you have to select the same account which you have selected in Microsoft Store. So log in with same account. And once you're logged in, now you can try to install the game and then you can check. Now still not working. The next step is to make sure date, time zone and region is correct on your computer. So at the bottom right here, you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time. Click on adjust date and time. Make sure set time zone automatically. If this is off, turn it on. Also set time automatically. If this is off, turn it on. Also click on sync now. If you see some errors in red color, click on sync now once again. Try it multiple times and then go to time and language and region and make sure your country is selected over here and then check. Next step is to go to Microsoft Store and then try to install it from Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store. At the bottom left here, you can see download option. Click on download. If you see the game over here, you can try to install the game from here and then check. You can even go to library, and if you see the game in the library, in that case you can try to install the game from library. In my case, I have it in downloads. Now if you're trying to install it from Microsoft Store, in that case you can use Xbox app to install the game. Now the next step is to run this command. This command is provided in the video description. So copy this command, type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then make sure that you run this as an administrator. Click on yes to allow, then paste the command over here, hit the enter key. This process will take some time, and during this process you will see some errors in red color. Just ignore it, let the process complete. This will install the default Windows app, and once this is done, you will see everything red, and then you can close this and then you can try to install it. If that does not work, restart your computer and then install it. Next step is to delete Microsoft Store local cache. Now for this, open File Explorer, go to this PC, open C drive. Now open users folder. Now open your username folder. Now open app data folder. If you don't see app data at the top, click on view, select show, put a check on hidden items and then open app data folder, local folder, packages folder, find the packages folder. Open the packages folder and then find Microsoft Windows Store. Here you can see Microsoft Windows Store _ some alphanumeric character. Open this folder. Here you can see local cache folder. Make a right click, delete this and then relaunch Xbox app or Microsoft Store and then try to install it. Next step is to run ws reset command. Type in ws reset in Windows search box and then click on ws reset. This will reopen Microsoft Store and then you can try to install the game and then check. Still not working, then repair or reset Xbox app and store. So type in Xbox app in Windows search box, make a right click on Xbox app and then click on app settings. Scroll down and then first of all click on terminate option and then click on repair. And once the repair is done, you can relaunch Xbox app and then check. If that does not work, perform reset. And after the reset, you can open Xbox app once again and then you can try to install the game. Now you can try to install the game. Still not working. The next step is to do the same thing with store. So type in Microsoft Store in Windows search box, make a right click, go to app settings and do the same thing. First of all, click on terminate and then click on repair. And once the repair is done, open Microsoft Store and then check. If that does not work, you can click on reset over here and reset. And after the reset, again open Microsoft Store and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to update store. Now to update store, open Microsoft Store and then go to downloads option over here. And over here, click on check for update. And if you see update all, click on update all. And once everything is updated, now you can try to install it. Still not working. The next step is to install Xbox identity provider. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, you will see the download option. Hit download and then click on open Microsoft Store. If Xbox identity provider is not installed, you will see install button or maybe get button or maybe update option. So do it. Now in my case, it is already installed. So that's why it's installed and it's grayed out. Now the next step is to uninstall and reinstall gaming services. Now to uninstall gaming services, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and make sure that you open this as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Once gaming services is uninstalled, now copy the second command. This command is also provided in the video description. Paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. This will open Microsoft Store and then you will see get option or maybe install option. So click on it, click on yes to allow and then install gaming services. Make sure this is installed and once the installation is complete and then you can try to install the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to start all these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box, click on services and then find IP helper in the list. Make a double click on IP helper, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK and then find Xbox services. At the end here you can see all 4 Xbox services. Make a double click on each one of them one by one, set the startup type to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, again automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, again set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK, automatic, apply and click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Find Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now find Microsoft Store install service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now find gaming services, make sure gaming services are running. Let me refresh this. I think the gaming services is installed. Yeah, almost done. Okay, now you will see gaming services over here. Let me refresh. Now make sure gaming services are running. If not running, make a right click. If you see start, click on start. If you see restart, click on restart. Again, make a right click on gaming services, click on start or restart. And then you have to relaunch Xbox app and Microsoft Store, then try to retry the download. Now still not working. The next step is to update Windows to the latest version. This is important. So open Windows settings, go to Windows Update and then click on check for update. Once click on download and install. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, try to install the game and then check. Now still not working. The next step is to run inetcpl.cpl command. So type in inetcpl.cpl and then click on inetcpl.cpl and then go to advanced tab over here. Scroll down here, you can see use TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Make sure all 4 are checked over here and then hit apply. Make sure that you hit apply and then click on OK. Relaunch Xbox app on Microsoft Store and then check. Try installing the game to C drive or different drive. For example, if you're trying to install the game to D drive or E drive, then in that case you can go to Xbox app and then go to settings option, go to install option, and then you can select C drive. If the game you're trying to install on different drive, try to install the game on C drive and then check. If the game is already installing to C drive, you can try to install the game to another drive and then check. You can even do this, open Windows settings, go to system, go to storage and then click on advanced storage settings and then click on where new content is saved and new apps will save to. You can select C drive over here. So if the game is installing to D drive or E drive, select C drive and then check. If the game is already installing to C drive, you can try to select different drive over here, save it and then try to install the game. Next step is to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store and Xbox app. So type in Xbox app in Windows search box and then make a right click on Xbox app and then click on uninstall option and then click on uninstall. Once uninstalled, now you can go to Microsoft Store, search for Xbox app and then you can install Xbox app from here and then check. You can even install Xbox app from the website, from the Microsoft website. So you can just type in Xbox app in Google search, go to official Xbox website and then over here you will see the download the app option. You can run this exe file and you can install Xbox app and then check. And still not working, you can uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. So copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run this as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here, hit the enter key. This will uninstall Microsoft Store. So Store is gone now. If you search for Store, you won't find Store. Now to reinstall Microsoft Store, you can copy the second command and then on this you can type in PowerShell. Make a right click, run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Run as administrator is important. Then paste the command, hit the enter key. This will reinstall Microsoft Store and you should be able to open Microsoft Store once again and then you can check. The last step is to update your Windows using media creation tool. So if nothing is working, you can just use media creation tool and then go to Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. When you run this exe file, click on yes to allow and then you will see the screen. Click on accept over here and then by default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can set it to desktop and then click on save. Let download complete. This process will take some time and then you can click on finish. Now once you click on finish, let it close automatically and then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file and then you will see setup file. Make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow and then click on next over here, click on accept over here and then here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and apps will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install after the installation and log into the computer and then you can find the game and then you can install FragPunk once again. So in my case it's installing. So this is how you can install it and that should help you to install the game successfully on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.